In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom out in Adobe Illustrator. The simplest way to zoom out is by holding Control on your keyboard and pressing the minus key if you are using Windows. If you are using Mac, you can hold Command and press the minus key. This will zoom you out step by step. Similarly, if you want to zoom in, hold Control and press the plus key on your keyboard. Another way to zoom out is by using the Zoom tool. Press the Z key on your keyboard and your cursor will change into a magnifying glass icon. If you click anywhere on the screen, you will zoom in. However, to zoom out using the Zoom tool, you need to hold Alt on your keyboard. When you hold Alt, the magnifying glass will change from a plus sign to a minus sign. Now, if you click anywhere on your screen, you will zoom out. There is also another method using the Zoom tool. Once you press Z to activate it, you can click and drag on the screen. If you drag toward the right, you will zoom in, and if you drag toward the left, you will zoom out. This allows you to control the zoom level more precisely. Using these different methods will allow you to zoom in and out of your design easily, helping you work with greater accuracy.